Yes, it is visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Very warm good evening, good afternoon, respected Neha ma'am, and all my dear friends. I am Saklan Mustaq, and today I'm going to present my presentation of summer internship, which I had completed with Turning Point Consultancy Services. My registration number is 11906854, and I am from section Q1910. So let's know about Turning Point Consultancy Services. Turning Point Consultancy Services is also known as TPCS India. It was established in the year of 2019 at the city of Destiny, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. At the beginning of the company, the main objective of the founder was to break the gap of exposure between big institutions and small institutions. As we are from Lovely Professional University, we have the opportunity to explore everything. But while this internship, I got to know about the students who are from different universities that even they don't know what exactly LinkedIn is. So the major objective of TPCS was to provide exposure to the students who are from small institutions. Then again, when they started growing, they came in the services of consulting in digital marketing, business consulting, career counseling and admissions, website designing and development. This is my internship completion certificate, which I had completed with Turning Point, which was started from 7th June 2021 and ended on 11th August 2021. I got the best performer award from TPCS India as well, and they had facilitated me with 7,000 Amazon coupon vouchers also. And my role was of digital marketing intern, but apart from that, I had worked as an operational intern as well as an HR intern for TPCS India too. The role of the profile was community management, social media campaigning for COVID-19. I managed business accounts, Google business accounts of TPCS itself, and social media content. I created posters and videos, and I worked on one more task, that was a virtual fundraising for COVID-19. About all these things, I am gonna completely explain in my upcoming slides. So project which I had undertaken was for SEF groups. It is Saransh Educational Foundation. Another was for TPCS itself, Turning Point Consultancy Services. And the third one was of CDP, which was COVID Relief Campaigning 2021. About all these three, I am going to complete in my upcoming slides. So let's get started. So the project which I had undertaken was a COVID relief campaigning, and I was fortunate that this project was specially meant for the students of Lovely Professional University. As we know that it is a part of our university curriculum, CDP, Community Development Project. So 379 students from Lovely Professional University has registered themselves for the Community Development Project with Turning Point Consultancy Services. And apart from that, I was the one. Turning Point Consultancy Services had given me the opportunity to lead and program everything regarding this CDP. So in this particular CDP, I had planned, I had executed, and I had monitored everything. So in this particular programming, as an intern of Turning Point Consultancy Services, I had handled 379 students from Lovely Professional University who had successfully completed their community development project. The work which it was included was fund management, virtual awareness of COVID-19, as this project was for the COVID relief camp. So in this particular COVID relief camp, I had organized several webinars, virtual sessions on awareness about COVID-19 vaccination and spreading of COVID-19. Second thing was which was the best part, I thought that I, along with my team of 379 students, were able to have a COVID-19 donation food campaigning across the world. We were not able to cover all the country, but yes, I was fortunate that I am from one of the best, largest university, Lovely Professional University, that due to the students of LPU, I was able to run this campaigning in Bangladesh, in Nepal, in Indonesia too. Apart from that, in India, we had covered entire states from Kanyakumari to Kashmir and Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, and several regions of Uttarakhand also. And in this particular thing, we were able, I along with my team were able to get donation of 37,500 with the support of my entire team. So this was the work which I've done for TPCS under this project of CDP. Now, the second project which was I was handling was of Sharans Educational Foundation, which is situated in the West Champaran district of Bihar. So this is an educational consulting company and foundation which is helping the students to get their dream educational institution with less cost. So in Sharans Educational Foundation, I had worked as an social media intern as well as educational consultant with them. For this, I had worked on their Google review. I had managed their Google business account, and in which I get some reviews for them. Apart from that, I am thankful for my university that they had given me a good exposure for event management, so that the skills I had enriched and developed at Lovely Professional University of Event Management was helpful for me in this particular internship. I was able to guide the SEF group for this particular online educational conference 2021, in which they had received 4,000 plus registration just in the span of 3 weeks. So I thanks to my university to give me the opportunity of student organization cell, and I think that this is only possible due to student organization cell of Lovely Professional University. All the things I had learned from my university. Third thing which I had done personally physically at Sharans Educational Foundation, as you can see, this is my picture. I went for a physical training session with the chairman of Sharans Educational Foundation in the Bapu Dham Motihari of Bihar, where I personally had given a training which I had received from Turning Point Consultancy Services to the people who were elder than me. So I think that it was a great experience for me. Apart from that, the projects which I had personally taken for Turning Point Consultancy Services was that I had created their new logo. As you can see, these two logos were not the logo of TPCS. Initially their logo was different, as you can see over here. This is the old logo of Turning Point Consultancy Services, but as I am the intern of TPCS, so I think outside the mind. Actually, we were having a subject in my BBA second year, creative thinking. So from there I got some exposure and I had created two logos, and successfully TPCS India is using these two logos in their official website too. Apart from that, as I had initially mentioned, that Turning Point Consultancy Services main objective was to break the gap of exposure between big institutions and small institutions. So personally, TPCS has given me chance to work with one government school which is situated in Bihar itself. So they had run a campaigning of 3 week e-Shiksha Abhiyan, in which I was working in the creative parts of presentation. We had given training to students from class 1 to class 10th in different government schools of Bihar, West Champaran district of Bihar, in which we had trained them about basic first aids and basic personal hygienic, and for small children we had taught them all the basics things like alphabets and numerics things. Apart from that, I personally handled the internship program of Turning Point Consultancy Services, which was comprising of HTML CSS bootcamp, live projects and different things. So now talk about the challenges which I found at Turning Point Consultancy Services during my internship. So yes, it was not that much easy. It was little bit complicated for me also to work with a consulting firm, because that was my first experience. I was from a management background and I was a graduate from BBA. I don't have a basic knowledge of graphic designing. So when I came and when my training of 1 week was completed, I was totally shocked. They had given me task of creating posters, animated videos for them. So at that time, for one day my mind was totally blank, and another day I went for fully research, and then I got to realize that yes, there are n number of open source platforms from where we can create animated videos also, and posters which are already ready for the use. So that was one of the challenge which I found during internship at TPCS. Second was a fundraising. Excuse me ma'am, am I connected? Actually, I'm not getting any confirmation. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay ma'am, thank you. Actually my laptop sometimes it's stuck, that's why I got confusion. So second thing was of fundraising. As I mentioned that with the students of Lovely Professional University, I had worked on a COVID relief campaigning. So it was little bit complicated for me to manage the fund, because as I was the only one who had to plan and execute everything, and handling 379 students were not that much easy for me. And apart from that, I need to handle 379 different transactions. So at that time I contacted with one of my faculty from Lovely Professional University, university, he suggested me that beta, go and use Razorpay, and which is very simple, and within a fraction of second you can manage everything. So with that, I was at last able to manage the funds, or else starting 2 to 3 days I was totally get embarrassed that how to manage all these things. It was very difficult for me. Then it comes event management. As you can see in the graph, it is not at that much lower level, because I was habituated. I am working as an core team member of student organization cell, so it was not that much difficult for me. But yes, when I went for Sharan's educational foundation project, it was little bit complicated for me, because I was working for the LPU in different sectors of cultural and entertainment, but here it was an educational. So initially it was very difficult for me, because their target audience are totally out of this segment, and the thing which I had learned at my university was out of this segment. But somehow I tried to manage it, and yes, with the help of social media marketing and campaigning on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, I was somehow able to manage it. Last, the fourth point, team handling. As I said, that handling of 379 people was very difficult for me, because I need to send them the confirmation mail. I was the one who need to send them the offer letter. I was the one who has to take the meeting and who has to send the completion certificate. So I found this thing very challenging. But yes, I got one confidence in myself that yes, if I can handle these 379 people, so it gave me a positive vibe in myself that yes, I can handle any situation. So that was the best part of this internship, that yeah, it was team handling was one of the bit complicated thing in my internship. But yeah, I like this thing, that this is the thing which gave me a confidence that yes, I can also handle anything. So at the last, learning outcomes, what I have learned in this particular internship. So I had learned marketing, making videos. I had created some sort of animated videos with bot chat and all those things, which is available in the YouTube channel of TPCS. I learned graphic designing. I learned team management, which was the best part and which was the very toughest part at the initial moment. I learned Google review for businesses. I know I was not aware about how Google business management exactly works. So while doing this internship, I got aware that yes, these are the things with which you can list your business in the upcoming segment of your particular city or on your state. So as I was a social media intern, my responsibility was even to take care of YouTube channel management and LinkedIn and Instagram marketing. I did for TPCS, for Sharan's educational foundations also. So that's all what I had done for this internship. Any questions, ma'am?
Yes, Sapnain. First of all, very good presentation and
Thank you, ma'am.
very good work done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because I know it's very difficult being a management student to go into analytics part, graphics parts. It's really very difficult. So my first question for you is that related to what is this Google Analytics or Facebook Analytics actually?
Ma'am, basically Google Analytics and Facebook Analytics is working in, it's having two things, ma'am. It is having involvement of machine learning as well as the involvement of artificial intelligence. For example, if you are watching a product let's talk about any cosmetic product, you are searching on Flipkart, right? So Google Analytics will artificial intelligence will scan that thing. It will store in its cloud data. Amazon Web Services providing cloud platform and different platform, and from there machine learning will use that data, and both the when these both things are combining, ma'am, so it will give a output to the user. For example, I am the manufacturer, right, and I am running an ad on YouTube or on Facebook. So if once I had applied for that ad on Facebook, so artificial intelligence which is working for this particular thing will get that particular customer segment to me, to the YouTube platform, and with the help of machine learning, this ad is gonna run to those customer who had searched for that particular item or that particular product on their service, ma'am, on their particular platform.
So, did you get the data for those customers who
No, ma'am.
have done research on that?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
I won't get, ma'am. For example, if you're running a company, right, and you want to sell your courses, or you are organizing an event, so you will post your event detail on YouTube or on Instagram. So now it is the work of Instagram to promote all those things. See, ma'am, initially what happens that there was a trend of SEO, search engine optimizers, right? But nowadays, because I also worked in this particular field, there is no use of anyone who is having specialized knowledge in it. If some company or someone is having money, ma'am, they have to just run their ad, and everything is gonna end with the backend team of Instagram, or wherever you are performing the ad. So there is no manual interruption, ma'am.
Okay, so when you are working with the foundation, with the that company or the foundation in which you done